get start our recipe, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. So let's get start. So guys, let's get start our recipe. For focaccia bread I have required flour, gluten and bread improver, salt, milk powder, yeast and sugar, oil and oregano and water. First of all, we are going to make a fine fermentation with activation of yeast. So I have required water and sugar. Add some water, yeast and sugar, add some water, mix it well with the help of spoon. Then cover it and rest it till the bubble come on a top or yeast come on a top or fine fermentation is ready. After that we going to make a bread dough. So guys, my yeast is activated and full activation fine fermentation is ready. In that dry flour I am going to add milk powder, gluten and bread improver, salt and yeast water. Oregano, mix it well. Continuously mixing and add required water and make a soft dough. Once dry flour is combined, then add oil. If you have olive oil, it's best for focaccia bread because focaccia is the Italian bread. So guys, now my dough is well combined. I am going to add olive oil. Mix it well and make a smooth dough. Once my dough is combined, stretch in a surface, stretch like this and make a soft dough. So guys, my soft dough is ready. Cover it and give rest for half an hour for first proofing of dough. Then, so guys, my dough is proofed properly. For garnishing or decoration, I have required capsicum or bell pepper and cut in a flower shape, and onions cut in a D shape or flower shape, and oil and coriander stem. So guys, take a baking tray, spread the dough in a baking tray like this. With the using of fingertips, spread the dough. So I am going to spread. After that, apply some olive oil and spread with the help of fingertips and mark some fingertips on a bread. Like this. After that, align coriander stem. Press it. Like this and arrange onions and capsicum flowers like this. So guys, my decoration is complete. On the top, sprinkle some oregano like this. And give rest and for second proofing around 15 minutes. Once the bread bubble in size or double in size, so then bake it at 200 degrees Celsius. Proofing is done or my bread is ready to bake. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for around 15 to 20 minutes till the golden color on the top. Preheated oven at a 200 degrees Celsius. So guys, my bread is baked properly. So on the top I am applying some olive oil to giving a smoothness or crust color or softness, and most important, shine. Once my bread is completely cool, then serve it and enjoy this bread. So guys, my bread is baked properly and ready to serve. Enjoy this video and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Enjoy this recipe. Bye bye guys. See you soon in the next video.